Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Intrusion bar kit for Kawasaki Teryx H2 OEM cage. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install inner bracket. Alright, let's get started. First, take the two nut plates and slide them into the factory cage. Make sure the threads are pointing up and line them up with the two factory holes in the cage. With the nut plates in place, it's time to bolt in the inner bracket. Grab the number 5 hardware that came with your kit. A quick tip, start with the outer bolts on each side first. With all the bolts hand tight, you can securely fasten them down using a 5mm hex tool. Step 2. Assemble and install lower crossbar. We'll start by bolting together the two lower bars using the number 8 hardware. Once started, use a drive tool with a 6mm hex bit to snug the hardware down tight enough to hold everything in place, but still allowing a bit of movement for adjustment. We can now begin installing the assembly onto the vehicle. Carefully position the lower bar in place, making sure it's properly aligned. Once aligned, begin attaching the outer clamp piece using the provided number 6 hardware. Use a 5mm hex tool to tighten the bolts down evenly, bringing the hardware to a snug, secure fit. Avoid over-tightening at this stage. We still want to maintain a bit of adjustability to help with proper alignment in the next step. Step 3. Install the center bars. We can now install the two center bars using the provided number 8 hardware. At this stage, keep all hardware hand tight to allow for proper adjustment. Start by installing the bottom bolt, connecting the center bar to the lower crossbar. With that connection in place, slide the assembly upward to align the top of the center bar with the upper bracket, then install the top bolt. With this side bolted in, we can repeat this step for the opposite side. Step 4. Fasten all hardware. To get started, grab your drive ratchet and the 6mm hex bit. Begin by fastening the upper bolts on the center bars. Once the upper bolts are secured, fasten the 2 lower bolts along with the center bolt in the crossbar using a drive tool with a 6mm hex bit. For the final step, secure the clamps using a drive tool with a 5mm hex bit. Repeat these steps for the other side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.